In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete an Exness demo account. Now to do this, you first want to sign into your Exness personal area. You want to go to Trading, top left, and click on Accounts. Of course, we're now deleting demo accounts, so you want to go to a demo, which is just below my accounts over here, and here you can find all your accounts. Now, to delete your account, you want to do the following. You want to go and click on the three dots next to the account you want to delete, and you want to click on Archive. Now, I know archiving is not the same as deleting, so let me explain. On their official website, it says that the differences are between demo and real accounts. The demo accounts can be deleted and of course are subject to deletion if there is no activity. So let me actually show this to you over here. There we go. It says difference demo accounts on MT4 and MT5 are subject to deletion if there is no activity, okay? And they actually can't be reactivated or recovered after deletion. Now, of course, inactivity over here, as you can see, is defined as lack of trading operations or balance operations. So essentially, if you don't use your account, it could get deleted, okay? So over here, as you can see, you must log in and perform these activities to keep your account active, okay? So over here, as it says down here, you can also see trading accounts may be archived or deleted within less than the times specified above. So over here, I actually wasn't able to find how long it would take. So when you archive an account, how long it would take to actually delete itself, but you actually don't have to do anything whenever you archive it, just wait for it to be deleted. Now, I've read somewhere that for MT4 accounts, they're going to be automatically deleted after 180 days of inactivity, and for MT5 accounts, they're going to be automatically deleted after 21 days of inactivity. I'm not 100% sure whether that's correct, but I have read it on like a forum, so maybe that's true, but just go and put them into archived, and after some time, I'm sure your accounts, your demo accounts are going to be deleted. But if you click on hide accounts, these are actually not bothering you anyway, so it doesn't even matter if they are archived or deleted. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.